In C++, there are two different types of loop. The first one you have already learned, which is while loop. The second one is a for loop. Basically, or you can say logically, both of them can do the same work. The only difference between while loop and for loop is the syntax. A for loop has a slightly different syntax compared to while loop, and this syntax is much more compact. So what I am trying to say by compact? Let's look at the while loop first. As you know by now, a while loop has three different parts. The first one is initialization, the second one is condition, and the third one is modification. Now in while loop, you have to write all these things in separate lines. Like the first one, the initialization is written in one line. The second one, the condition, is written after the while loop in a different line inside the parenthesis following the while keyword. The third one, modification, is again written in another different lines. But in for loop, you can do all these things in the same line, just as you can see in this slide. So the first part, which is same as the initialization of the while loop, is written in here. The second part, the condition, which is again same as the while loop, it is written in the same line over here, just by separating with a semicolon. And finally, the modification part, which is again same as the while loop, that is also written in the same line here. Now, in for loop, since they are all written in the same line, there should be some kind of separation. Now, in order to separate this initialization, condition, and this modification, you have to use this semicolon. So initialization followed by semicolon, followed by condition, followed by semicolon, then followed by the modification. And then again, the actual instruction that you want to repeat again and again, you have to put it inside a opening and closing curly brace like this. So everything is same, just the syntax is different. In the next video, we are going to see a small demo of the for loop, which can clarify the concept better.